The Red Arrows are known worldwide as the UK's air display team. Since 1954, they have used British-made jets. Now, the UK government has confirmed that going forward, it is considering buying the 18 million Aermacchi M346 jet originally developed by Russia and Italy. UK history with Russia is not a good one outside of the First and Second World War. The idea that the iconic Red Arrows would use a Russian-related jet has got many in a tiz. Before I go into the details, the question is, how has the RAF got themselves in this situation in which there is no viable UK option for the Red Arrows going forward? The Red Arrows fly the BAE Hawk, but the Yorkshire factory producing these was closed in 2020. This complicates the Red Arrow's mission of promoting British industry and reinforcing the UK's reputation. A British-based company called Aermacchi is currently the most well-positioned UK company to take over, although they have yet to produce a prototype. The company estimates that its jet would take to the skies in about 2030, but such projects are prone to delays. Other potential alternatives include an upgraded BAE Hawk, a US-made Boeing trainer, or the Korean KAI T-50 Golden Eagle. The controversial alternative that has caused uproar is the Aermacchi M346. This is an advanced jet trainer originally co-developed with Yakovlev as the Yak ARM-130. This partnership ended with Alenia Aermacchi developing the M346 Master separately, while Yakovlev continued separately with the Yak 130. Yakovlev may be familiar to you as the new Russian medium-sized jet under development, which is the Yakovlev MC-21. Leonardo, the new owners of Aermacchi, stated that the M346 was manufactured in Europe to the most stringent NATO standards, pushing back on the Russian jet claims. They say that the aircraft is used for training by at least 10 NATO air forces, including the RAF, whose pilots have had to train in Italy using Italian jets because of a shortage of operational Hawks in the UK. The Red Arrow's Hawk T1 are set to retire by 2030, whilst the new Hawk 2, which are crucially for pilot training, have had serious engine issues. The T2 is due to be replaced in about 2040, but there are discussions about doing it sooner due to the identified problems. So let's be clear, the M346 is not a Russian aircraft, and it has been 25 years since Russia had anything to do with it. So all the fuss about Russian aircraft is exaggerated. The most striking fact is that British aircraft manufacture was once a great industry, has been decimated, and the RAF has been reduced to buying overseas. The country has lost its skills, whilst the Russian aviation sector is in a better shape with passenger jets development and the continued capability to produce all its military aircraft. So how can Red Arrows promote an industry that no longer really exists? The question should be, how has the UK allowed itself to be in this position rather than complain about Russian tech in a display-only aircraft? With a highly skilled industry like aircraft manufacture, once you lose the ability to produce your own aircraft, you lose a skill that would be almost impossible to get back.